Hi everyone, so this is a quick little video about learning to drive. So now we're in 2020 and the roads are getting more and more busy. So if you were learning to drive now, what should you learn to drive in, manual or automatic? So with a manual, it's ideal obviously if your parents have a manual or you're going to be using a manual ever. If you're not going to be using a manual, it's probably easier to learn to drive in an automatic. Now many will say that if you're passing a manual you can drive both, but the likelihood is you probably won't drive both. You'll probably just keep buying a manual vehicle until one day somewhere in the future you may have a go of an automatic and then realise that you should have just drove an automatic from the very beginning. Also, when traffic is very busy, automatics come into their own because obviously you can keep your both hands on the wheel. You don't have to be going up and down through the gears all the time. It's just a case of removing your brake pedal and the car will start to move forward slowly, and then just brake again when you need to. Much easier to drive, like I said, an automatic than a manual. No messing about with the clutches and the gears and the hill starts or what gear you need for what situation. With an automatic it's just much more easier and relaxed. So the decision now is up to you. You'll pass a lot quicker in an auto than you would in a manual. Decision's up to you. Best of luck. Bye.